but we found a little corner where the folks come in scores. Now we've set our vending machine in the local grocery store. Cans of cold pop and candy bars, chips to snack all night, cookies for the sweet tooth, and gum to chew just right. In between the produce and the dairy aisles glow, our little vending home found a place where shoppers go.
Colors of that rainbow.
No more chasing highways, no more need to roam.
How's it going, guys? A&T Vending, and we got another location in the Tower District, Tower Market. It just goes to show you that talking with people, networking is how you do business. It's how you get things done. And so after the networking, you got to show up on time. You got to do what you say and say what you do. That's just business. So we're gonna get these filled up and new locations ready to go. We'll keep you guys updated on the hauls, how much we're making here and there, and let us know. Hit us up in the comments. Remember to hit like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And we'll see you in the next video.